So, what do you see exciting in the future? What about the role of the counselor moving forward as we enter this new age of artificial intelligence and automation?
This is going to be an amazing transition here that we're in. What it's going to do is open up more of that, of the ability of people to spend more time with those human connections if we use it the right way. Because we can spend less time trying to find information and spend more time talking about what that information means and how we can use it in relationships. People are certainly worried about artificial intelligence taking over their jobs. And I understand that to some extent, but say for counselors and teachers, it's going to shift. I think it's going to shift things in a way that helps them really create more connection instead of less, if we can use it appropriately.
It's interesting you talk about that. One of the things that we've seen with SkillsLine that we teach the skills, right? And that's not taking away somebody's job.